Yeah, today we're going to look at IKEA Light. It's not broken. Here's the power supply. I haven't got the lead, so I'm not going to buy a lead. I'm going to cut off that plug, put one of these on the end of it, use my own power supply. So first, you can see I've been trying already. I mean, not trying. I marked it already, but I forgot to film it. So, got to find live, plus. So I'm going to pierce one of these wires a little bit so I can find which one's plus and minus. So we know this is plus. That's why I put a red mark on it. Just make sure. Like I said, I forgot to press record when I first started. Okay. So I'm going to cut this bit off. Keep it down there, just for now. Bit too long, but I'll cut this down a minute. Screwdriver. I normally tin these, but today I ain't gonna. See it on there, plus minus. They use this on the CCTV cameras or whatever you can use it for. Just put it in there. Put it in there, screw it up. Buy these on Amazon. Just plug this in. There you go, simple as that. This. Yep, sensor, turn it off. Oops. Cover the sensor. Cover the sensor. This. Yep, it works fine. Or you can just leave it switched on. Auto, I'll just keep it switched on. So that's the quick way. No power lead. At least if it dies, you can just change the power. Any old power, 12 volts. Oops. See, 12 volts maximum, 100 milliamps. Let me see what power supply. I don't think you can see that. See, 12 volts, 1.5 milliamps. You see how it is. That's what I was going to do. Then I might try and modernise this, change this pin, maybe change the power pin. I can use this as a power supply for something else. Okay, catch you on the next one.